In this tutorial, we will learn about scale command. Keyboard shortcut for scale is SC, enter. Then select the object you want to scale, then press enter, then give the base point around which you want to scale. The base point will remain at the same position and other points will shift. Then make the ortho up, then give the scale factor. If you want to increase the size of the object, then give value more than 1. I want to make the value double, give the 2 and enter. So all the objects size will increase by 2 times. If you want to give the scale command from ribbon, here is the scale command. Click on it, select the object, enter, give the base point. If you want to reduce the size of the object, then you will have to give the scale factor less than 1. I want to reduce the size of this object to half size, then you will have to give 0.5. Enter, again scale, select object, enter, give the base point. The next option is copy. Copy option will create the copy. Click on copy, then give the scale factor 2, enter. So it will keep the original object as it is and it will create one more copy. Then again copy, select object, enter, give the base point. Then reference, click on reference and then specify the reference length. Suppose this is my reference length, the first point and second point, and then specify the new length for this line. Now currently this line is of 20 length, I want to make it 40 length. Give the 40, enter. Here we can check that the length of this line has become 40 and the original length was 20. You can also give the reference of other object during scale command. If I want to make the length of this line to match with this line, click on scale, select the object, enter, give the base point, then click on reference, then give the reference length this point to this point, drag this point and click there. So it will make the length of that line to match with this line. If I want to match the length of this line with this line, now in this case the base point was same but here base point is different. So in this case scale, select object, enter, give the base point, then click on reference, then give the first point, give the second point, then click on points and click on the 2 points of this line, first point and second point. It will match the length of this line with this object. That's all. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.